Hey everyone, Brock Black Designs. What we're going to show you today is on your Victory side covers, your what's called a cheese wedge, and how you're going to replace either side, right or left side. Both of them are similar. One's going to have the ignition relocation, and the other one's going to have just the cheese wedge or the cover. And what we're going to do is be replacing these with ours. So hold on tight, let you show so you can get rid of one of these, because they suck. All right, what we're going to do is show you on your factory cheese wedge that's on the side of your bike. To remove it, all you have to do is pull it off. It's just set in with a 3-prong system. What you're going to do is now replace it with one of our horn covers. What you're going to see is your ignition system. It's going to be similar to this. You're going to have your ignition and your retaining bolt. You're going to remove that retaining bolt, remove the ignition, and then basically take our bracket that we give you and put it into this housing system. After you put the ignition in this housing system, you're going to decide if you want it on the front side or the back side of the cover, and basically from there you're going to take our bracket with the ignition in it, and you're going to bolt it right back up to that ignition. And what you're going to do after it's been put onto the housing system, this will then plug into the 3-bolt system that comes with our covers. Now our covers come in 3 different sizes. We can do the 1-inch, 2-inch, or 3-inch, depending on what you're going to use it for. If you want to put extra horns on your bike, then you can do that. This is set up showing you that stock horns will fit in here, and our bracket systems is a plug-and-play system. The ignition side is a little bit more difficult. Of course, you have to relocate it to our bracket system. Now you can do it on the front side, or you can flip it and you can put it on the back side. This is the customer's choice of what they want to do. And again, comes with the bracket system. The other side, the right side, is really simple. Pull off the cheese wedge, put ours in there. Now, if you're going to add horns, of course, you're going to have to do the wiring yourself to add the extra horns. But nice thing about our product is it looks cool and its functionality. So, and again, with our products, these are all customizable, any color combination, theme, whatever you want to do. Prices may vary. If you want to do something pretty crazy, we can do it. Just may cost, because we have to do molds, units to be able to build them out. And again, any of our covers that you see, if you see it on one of our other websites and you're like, hey, it's not showing for Victory, most likely it has. We just haven't updated all of our sites at this point. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to us, email, smoke signals, TikTok, whatever you want to do. So again, appreciate your time and look forward to hearing from you.